Alright, what's going on, guys? It's been a while since I've done a video. Sorry for the sound quality. I have my fan on because it's hot. But I'm back with installs, which I should have done a few videos on. I got an intake from, what I think was the 6th Element Engineering. Absolutely love it. I recommend it. Since last time I showed the car, I don't have wheels now. I have coilovers. I have a boost gauge, and I think that's about it, honestly. But today I'm gonna be installing this Turbosmart's compact ball valve, I guess. Pretty straightforward. It's a replacement for the stock one. So basically what you're gonna want to do is take all these 4 bolts out, which they're 10 millimeters, which I already done, and disconnect the line, which honestly this goes like this, but I just took it off so I can show y'all. Then after that, you take this whole plate off with that hose back there, and yeah, I can't see in there, but there's like a line you're supposed to disconnect. So I will it's gonna be hard. I don't think it's gonna be hard, it's just a little tricky. But yeah, it should be fun. Most of y'all should know how it sounds whenever you disconnect this hose from the intake, which I've been running without it since they don't have a port for right here for it. That's not good. Yeah, so I'm gonna take this off, that hose on, then I'll get back to y'all. I'll be back. Well, that took a while. Focus. I took my filter off so I can get a better read. So this is what it's gonna look like after you remove your stock blow-off valve, which is pretty ugly, honestly. Just right here. Little plate. You don't have to reuse that hose if you don't want to. That's what I've been told, and that's what I've been reading on. And just let this leave it like that. But once you do that, you gotta remove this hose too, because the hose that from the stock one won't fit on the aftermarket one. So I don't know if you'll be able to see it way down here when you disconnect it, which is a pain. Just right here, this one. You just pull this little thing back and it pops out just like that. See? And you just use the supplied one that came with it. Was also, let's see, these 4 right there, and then the screws for it. So this is gonna be a pain. So I'm gonna put this on real quick and run it throughout, and I'll get back to y'all. Also gotta check up on my boost gauge line. Alrighty, so I got the line on. It's wait, where's it at? I don't even see it right there. It's a pain, but it's on there. So now to get this on, I think it goes like that. Hopefully. Yeah, it should go like that. So gotta do this single handle. Give me a minute. Put that on. Hopefully like that. Alright. Hopefully the rubber gasket didn't move. Damn it, it moved. Would be easier with 2 people, but oh well. the ring back on. And there we go. Should be good. I hope. Alright, so now for the screws. Which would be 3. I think that's the key for it. So I got a camera in that I want to start using, but it looks a little shitty. Then again, it was only $31, but oh well, right? Shit. There we go. Just tying one of these down. There it goes. There's one. There's 2. Oops. Also, if any of you guys have any recommendations on what I can use to edit like videos, please let me know. I'm open to anything. Oh. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Might have to put y'all down so I can get this one in, since I'm gonna need both hands. So I will be right back. And there you go. Finally installed. Now the only problem is I don't know if I'm gonna get what's it called? I don't know if it's gonna start surging due to the spring that's in there. Supposedly the pink spring makes it surge because it doesn't allow the valve to open up all the way, but I guess we will find out right now. I just gotta install the intake on real quick and we'll be able to test it out. That should be good for right now. Just to say, well, fingers crossed. Keep them here.
Burn.
I guess you can kind of hear it. I go get gas too. Oh, but Nathan over from Turbosmart told me that I shouldn't surge if I set this to all the way soft, which that's what it's at right now. If it does, in worst case scenario, I'll just order the pink spring. I mean, not the pink spring, the blue spring, and call it good. Eventually, that'll be up for sale probably in a couple 2 weeks, not 2 weeks, like 2-3 months probably. I want to upgrade to the cold pipe with the HKS. I'd rather run that, and also and it probably need new headlights due to the fact that my clips broke. They're stuck right there. Probably can glue them back right here. Who knows? Oh, that's cracked. Oh shit. Well, also if anyone has a front bumper for sale, let me know, because I need one, because these clips gave out. And this one just completely tore off from right here, so just barely on there. So yeah, I guess that does it for the install. If any of you guys have any questions, just comment down below, and I'll be happy to answer them. I'll link to where you can get this from. It's a pretty good. I like it. It's just, I guess I wanted something a little bit louder. But yeah, the Zentek, I suggest it. I really strongly suggest it. And but yeah, that's about it. Car still looks the same as last time, minus wheels and coilovers. And yeah. Also, I got a Turbosmart's new hot pipe coming in soon that I'm gonna be installing, so there'll be a video on that. Also, I might reopen these up due to the fact that let's see if you can see, I got water in them. Finally, the stuff that I used gave out, so I'm gonna reseal them with some stuff that Alex told me about, the headlight guru. So that will be a little bit better. And also if you remember my video where I installed my Demonite kit and my color changing kit, which that took a shit. It flooded a couple of days back, and I don't know how, but my receiver that was right here got wet. So it's been drying for a couple of days, hoping that it works. So yeah, there's that. And well, yeah, there'll be more videos to come soon. Let me know what you guys think. All right, peace.